थैंक यू। इंटरव्यू कब है मैं? ओके मंडे। ओके ओके। ओए, मेरा टेस्ट क्लियर हो गया। नेक्स्ट वीक है इंटरव्यू। अच्छा यार, सिर्फ 7 दिन बचे हैं। क्या कहता है, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल पे वर्क करूँ या रिज्यूमे पे? क्या चक्करों में पड़ गया तू? जॉब के लिए स्किल की क्या जरूरत है? ये ले फेयरनेस क्रीम लगा। जॉब तो ऐसे चुटकियों में लग जाएगी।
Very lovely. Famous cream.
To all the ladies out there, I wish to share with you 5 products that you should stop using immediately. These 5 products are extensively marketed as essentials and are fast becoming a part of daily life. But during the research of this video, I was shocked to know that they pose some serious health hazards. We will discuss why they are so damaging and how to switch to healthier alternatives, which too are available and affordable. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 5 on the list are underwire bras. Bras are an indispensable part of women clothing which not only give a defined look and shape to their overall body but also have a health aspect attached to them. Breast tissue, if not supported by a bra due to the gravitational pull, can cause a change of posture in women, causing problems like neck and back pain. Having said this, you should avoid wearing an underwire bra. Yes, the one that comes with a supporting metal wire under the cup for extra lift. No doubt it serves the purpose well, but it also significantly hinders blood circulation, causing stagnation in that area. This is the reason it is so common for women accustomed to underwire bras to have a permanent line of discoloration under their breasts, where the metal wire sits. It can cause serious health problems in the long run. Another issue with underwire bras is that they require the exact fit to be comfortable. This is why many women complain about issues like upper abdominal pain after wearing an underwire bra. And if the wire comes out, it gets frustrating. Better switch to free wire bras which are made entirely of fabric, prefer cotton, and thus are not only more comfortable but also healthy. The breast lift and shape is more relaxed in a wire-free bra. You can easily find the one for you that is shapely and doesn't create the uni-boob effect. Underwire bras may be used occasionally, but the lesser the better. Cotton padded bras are still better. Rather than just depending on a piece of clothing, massage the breast area often and perform regular push-ups for a well-defined shape. At number 4 are fairness creams. This is one category of products that should absolutely be thrown out. The way these products have been promoted over the years gives an ugly message that dark isn't beautiful.
इतना टैलेंट होकर भी पर्दे के पीछे टिया, हमारा सा चेहरा जो है, ये लो।
Be it a dance competition, marriage proposal, or a job interview, the deciding factor shown always is the skin tone. And we thought confidence, skill set, and hard work are prime for success. Playing on Indians' insecurities, skin whitening creams have become a $1 million industry. What's worse is that these products don't even work. They rather damage the skin. A breakthrough study found large amounts of unpurified heavy metals in these creams. The high levels of steroids in these products can cause redness, thinning of skin, acne, and even unwanted facial hair. These creams bank on a melanin suppressing ingredient added to them. It may remove tan to some extent, but what about the other extremely harsh chemicals added along? One can't get fairer, but yes, natural skin tone can be restored, and for that, natural remedies are way more dependable. Take gram flour, to this add curd, a pinch of turmeric, honey, sandalwood powder, and rose water. Mix well and apply it evenly on your skin. Wash it off after 30 minutes with running cool water. In just one wash, you can see a difference that won't be visible even after days of applying a fairness cream. Listed at number 3 is plastic loofah. Loofah is a popular bath accessory among women as it has the ability to produce lather and cleanse much more effectively. However, plastic loofah is not just unhealthy for the skin but also a menace to the environment. It is like a friend that backbites you. The loofah sponges, if left moist, hold on to bacteria and can be breeding ground for various infectious organisms. Moreover, the cheap plastic used not only doesn't decompose for thousands of years but also when rubbed against the skin damages it. Due to their harsh nature, experts strictly prohibit using them on the genital area. Since a woman's body is hormonally sensitive, the lesser it is exposed to plastic, the better. If you soak green moong dal in raw milk overnight, grind it to a paste in the morning, and then scrub it all over your body, you will be taken aback by the miraculous exfoliating properties that it possesses. If you can't do without loofah, switch to the traditional plant-based loofah, which is not only eco-friendly but also gentle on the skin. Offline, it is available at dirt cheap prices. But again, you must strive to keep it dry to prevent any microorganism growth. A simple way would be to sun dry it after every use, just as you sun dry your towel. At number 2 are multivitamins. This is one product the companies are desperately trying to make you believe that your body needs. Well, it doesn't. But guess what? Their marketing strategy is working. That is why many women have started popping these pills without a prescription. The major problem is that almost 90% of the multivitamin pills sold in the market won't get properly absorbed by your body. Why, you ask? Because most multivitamin companies do not mention the source of their vitamins and minerals. Have they been extracted from real foods or synthetically extracted in a lab? We consumers have no clue. If you go through the ingredient list of any such multivitamin box, you would find chemical names as its ingredients. Beware, vitamins and minerals can be extracted from petroleum products, animal body parts, and whatnot. That's not how our body works. A nutrient has to be in an absorbable form. As if this was not enough, they have now started adding buzzwords like hormonal health, period health to the same general tablets to ensure women are their customers. A detailed list of vitamins and minerals mentioned in the nutritional information is quite misleading until the source of them is explicitly mentioned. Probably that is why many women, even after regularly consuming these pills, still face nutrient deficiencies. In fact, research has shown that regular consumption of such multivitamins may cause hormonal disruptions. Well, the root problem is that the FDA does not regulate what goes inside these multivitamin pills. It's disappointing, but the reality is that companies need not prove the safety or effectiveness of the product they are selling. That means you can right now create a capsule claiming to be a multivitamin and sell it in the store. It's perfectly legal. Due to such weak regulations, brands take undue advantage, and so numerous cases of fake products, unreasonable claims, and poor quality of products have come into the limelight. If your diet comprises seasonal fruits and vegetables, you keep wearing your grains regularly, you have an active lifestyle, your body will get what it needs. These pills can never replace real food. They surely can find a place in your dustbin. Finally, at number 1 is keratin treatment. If your hair often gets frizzy, wavy, and dull, a beauty salon expert might suggest you to go through keratin treatment or hair smoothing. Keratin is the protein of which our hair strands are made of, and in this treatment, keratin is supplied to the hair. Sounds healthy, but it isn't. That's because the keratin is supplied through many chemicals, including highly unsafe levels of formaldehyde. A flat iron at over 200 degrees Celsius is used for this purpose. No doubt the immediate effect of keratin treatment is quite visible, but it comes with a cost, not just monetarily but health-wise as well. Formaldehyde is a known cancer-causing substance that has many side effects attributed to its name. Allergies, scalp irritation, burns, rashes, hair breakage and loss, to name a few. I mean, what is the need of wasting thousands of rupees on such a thing when you can get smooth, shiny, silky, and above all well-nourished hair with just 2 simple ingredients: raw milk and lemon juice. Mix them together in a spray bottle and let it sit for a few minutes. Then spray the mixture all over your hair from root to tip, being sure the tips are just as milky as the roots. Then tangle out your hair with a wide tooth comb. The milk needs time to soak into the hair and weigh it down, smoothing it. So wait for at least 30 minutes before you wash off with a mild natural shampoo. The results after just one application will amaze you. You can do it every week. Not only the smoothing effect will be enhanced, but also your hair will become healthy like never before. So friends, these were those 5 women products that I suggest you should throw away. The links to buy healthier alternatives are in the description box. I want to confirm confirm that whatever I have spoken in this video is my honest opinion. No doubt it's an individual choice what products one wants to use. Still, I believe one should at least be aware of what goes in making these products and what their consequences could be. This was the idea behind making this video. If you found this video helpful and would want me to cover more such women products, please give it a big thumbs up. Looking for a special Ayurvedic oil for your hair? Then True Hair Oil is a good option. I say special because True Hair comes with a true heater. Of course, we all know that if we apply warm oil on the scalp, it works much better. Although we often feel lazy to warm it. And if it gets too hot, then it's again a problem. Its solution is True Hair Oil that comes with True Heater. It heats the oil until 65 degrees and then automatically turns off. It takes about 4 minutes and you get a clear signal as the light flashes off. This is an intelligent product using which you can get the benefit of 13 Ayurvedic herbs without any hassle. And it's pocket friendly as well. It comes in 2 other variants, all are 100% natural and 0% LLP. To buy it, click on the link down in the description box. Through that link, you will get 25% off. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.